Hi, I'm Antari from Light My Life. This is one of our snow machines that we have in hire, and I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration and instruction on how this works today. This is the large wireless snow machine. It's called wireless because it has a wireless controller that controls the machine. It still requires power. To turn the machine on is really simple. Turn on the red button and you'll notice on the screen here a few little functions that the machine's going through. What it's doing is it's connecting its wireless receiver to the wireless controller. And you'll see wireless setup. When the machine is ready to go, it will say ready to snow. The top of the machine holds a 5-litre bottle of fluid, which is easily connected via the simple tube that goes into that one there. You'll see now the machine is indicating that it's ready to snow. There's a few other functions. The machine does have a 5-pin DMX input if you are interested in controlling it via DMX. To start snowing, it's just a matter of pressing the A button and the machine will begin. There's a couple of functions. You can adjust the output of the machine. We can turn the output up to 100% and you'll see it starts to become very heavy, almost too heavy. The most realistic is to have the machine function at about 50%. So now we're at about 50% now. And that gives you a natural sort of looking snow. To stop the machine, press the B button. The machine will run for a little while it clears the fluid out of the pipes and then it will shut down. And that's the large wireless snow machine.